So, great morning, great day. I'm Celine Angel May Duria, and this is my pre-finals activity for Culture 4. And this is my reaction video from a film called PK.
The next day.
So, pinanood ko yung PK. It's a 2014 film from India. So, it's a mix of comedy and sci-fi yung genre niya. So, ang dami kong natutunan, mga realizations, nakaka-reality check siya at na-realize ko din yung pagiging makajos ng isang tao. Bukod dito, it's an amazing, incredible, fantastic, never seen before, incredible, show-stopping, incredible ulit. Pero yeah, 100% recommended.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, completely not ever been done before, unafraid to reference or not reference, put it in a blender, shit on it, vomit on it, eat it, give birth to it.
So, dito ko na-realize kasi yung main character is grabe. By watching this film, dito ko na-realize na masusukat mo talaga yung faith mo towards sa pinaniniwalaan mo. Kasi may tinatawag tayo ditong blind belief kasi
the next day.
May sinusunod na rin tayo na based sa traditions natin, sa religions natin na to the point na hindi na pala mukhang tama. So yung si PK, yung main character, nagtanong siya, bakit marami tayong sinusunod? Bakit iba-iba? Bakit hindi na lang tayo magsama-sama yung mga paniniwalaan natin? Kasi dito rin napakita na yung pagsunod na yon, yung pagiging sa religion na yun, sa mga traditions na yun, is yung mga ibang tao ay nagagawa na rin pala sa mali. So, ayun, meron nagko-contradict din based sa mga sinasabi. So, parang it's a sign of hypocrisy. So, dun na realize ng mga tao na they are kind of unconfident, na parang nagkaroon sila ng reality check based sa mga tanong na yun ni PK. So, parang in a way, na real talk sila ni PK. Kasi some other people is na-view nila yung religion is overly idealistic. Parang, so, na may sarili silang paniniwala, pero yung iba is ayun sa paniniwala nila nagko-contradict naman based sa actions nila. So parang ganun na.
The next day.
Out of all the characters there in the movie, for me, si PK ang mas pinaka human there. Parang in a way, siya yung nagbigay ng the genuine concern towards others, his sincerity towards others, yung mga kalagayan nila and all towards by believing this type of religions. True kay PK, dun mas nakita natin na mas nananaig yung ating love, our faith, our compassion, our passion towards the others kaysa sa mga beliefs and religions na yan. So, ayun. Yung pagiging kind, hindi yung bastang yung ginagawa lang for your own personal gain. So, yeah. I love the movie talaga.
Why are you crying?
Kasi diba pag nagtanong ka, parang feel mo hindi valid, hindi parang ayun a sign of disrespect, pero hindi masamang magtanong kung yung intentions mo naman is pure from your heart. So ayun, ang galing, ang ganda talaga, mind-blowing.
Why are you crying?
The next day.
So, in conclusion, beyond sa mga religion, sa mga symbolism na sinusunod natin, na pinaniniwalaan natin, dapat yung maging foundation natin is our humanity. So, ayun, hindi dapat yung sinusunod mo na traditions and beliefs mo, dapat true or sincerity, love, and passion din. So, yung movie talaga na to is nagsisilbing message para sa atin kasi this film is kind of a mirror to our society na din. So, bigla nasunod na lang tayo, parang hindi na lang tayo nagtatanong, hindi natin alam na may parang iba na pala yung ano natin. So, ayun, mas mabuting maging tayo, sama-sama, to show our genuine spirituality towards God.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, completely not ever been done before, unafraid to reference or not reference, put it in a blender, shit on it, vomit on it, eat it, give birth to it.
So, yung pinaka-ultimate message nitong movie nito sa tingin ko ay there are no right or wrong religions, only right or wrong behavior. Humanity should be first before everything else. Yun. Mind-blowing.
Why are you crying?